We've been removing parts. Again, I kind of went a little bit ahead of the filming, so I'll explain what's been going on. My father's been cleaning up this frame, more wire wheel, discussing what we're going to do next as far as we've been discussing the suspension arms in the rear, redoing those, powder coating them, and new bushings. There's also a panhard rod on these deals, so maybe rebuilding that as well. But work that's actually been going on, the bed unbolting, taking out panels, filming it. Also got a bumper in the rear ready to come off. So as that goes, we'll continue to film. Tailgate will come off, and the bed sides. How about that? You gotta cut the wire. The C10 is nothing but a frame now. Nice solid frame. Find no rust issues, just dirt and grease. So tonight we plan on getting the rear axle out from underneath it. And then the frame cleaning shall begin in earnest. We ought to be able to flip it over and get both sides, and we'll get those trailing arms. But that's where we're at right now. It's come time to take this differential out. All the hard work has been done. We've unbolted the coil springs on this vehicle. They're bolted top and bottom, which is good. Hold that one up, because they shortened them, and they were so short that they decided to put, what would you call that? Spacers. Spacers in there as well. Anyways, everything's unbolted. The flex hose brake line has been disconnected. We've got the two forward trailing arm bolts ready to come out. We'll do that, and this thing will roll right up. Here we go, hopefully. You want to tap them? Or?
Yeah, they should just come. It really should.
That's going to be violent, I think. So something's been bugging my father and I the entire time we've looked at this truck. We've mentioned these coils a few times, and looking at the truck, it just always looked a little off. So last we showed you, we were stripping the rear end, and the more I look at this bare frame, the more it looks tweaked to me. And keep coming back to these coils. Why are they like this? Why are they like this? Well, it turns out when I looked on the frame, we now have a laser level on there, so we verified this. But when you look down the frame, this cross member is level. And when you get to this one, it's 3/4 of an inch off in the back. So what we're doing to show that is, we're putting the laser level over there, and it's shooting a flat beam, and we're measuring, one side to the other. So without boring you with the measurements, this is level, this is not. So we're also talking about the next steps to shortening the frame, and this is really a stopping point. I'm not going to shorten the frame with the frame being bent. So how do we correct this? So we've got a few things we're thinking about how to do this. We'll have another video when we come up with an answer.